This is how to easily find the center point of a circle. Start by drawing two lines. Ideally, make them a round number. So there we go, 20 centimeters. You can draw these lines anywhere you want in a circle. Let's draw another one here and we'll make it 20 centimeters again. Now you want to mark the center of each line. So because we've done a round number, it's pretty straightforward. 10 centimeters here, 10 centimeters here. Now we take a square, draw a 90-degree line from each center. Where those two lines cross, that is the center of the circle.